Greetings to you all, dear students. Welcome to the Bridge course, Template 29, Standard 7, Subject English. The learning outcome of this course is the students will be able to read aloud using proper pause, pace, and volume. Also, read to seek information from notice board, charts, tables, and other graphic presentation. They will also be able to refer dictionary and printed and electronic reference materials to check meaning, spellings, usage, and etc. There are some instructions given for teachers, parents, and facilitators. So, learners, you have to read the lesson 3.2, The Magic Herb of Standard 6th textbook, page number 56 and 57. Okay, and the students, we should read it, and the teachers will assist where necessary. This is the lesson, students, 3.2, The Magic Herb. Read it carefully, and after reading this lesson, you will be able to solve the activity or solve the questions which are given below. This is an interesting story that how does the innkeeper cheats the merchant, poor tired merchant, but the poor tired merchant is very clever and he tries to play a trick with him. This is the learning activity, House of Words. Can you see a beautiful house? It has many words. Come on, we will read it. Innkeeper, merchant, garments, meal. Greedy, unkind, herbs, forget. Tomorrow, poor, empty, nook. Foolish, forehead, wore, suspect, woke up, afford, brought, knock. So read the given words aloud. We have read it. And the second, B, find out the things from the house of words. These are the questions, and with the help of the house of words we can answer the questions. 3 words related to business. Now from the house of words write 3 words related to business. So let us find what are the 3 words. So the 3 words which are related to business are innkeeper, merchant, and garments. Okay. Again, a word rhyming with the word cook. Now what is the word? Word that rhymes with cook is nook. Okay, so underline it. So the rhyming word of cook is nook, N-double-O-K. Okay, students, write it down. Third question, the words that have closed double letters in them. Closed double letters. Okay, let's find. Innkeeper, then afford and nook. Okay, tomorrow, greedy, nook, foolish, afford. These are all the words that have closed double letters. Like innkeeper में कौन सा अक्षर है? I-double-N. Okay, these are all closed double letters. So let us mark it. These are the words which I have marked have closed double letters in them. Okay, now next question. A part of our body. Can you find it? Part of our body. So that is forehead. Okay, so underline forehead. Forehead. Okay, part of the body. Now next question. Past tense of wake up, wear, and bring. Find from the house of words. Past tense of wake up is woke up. Past tense of wear is wore, and past tense of bring is brought. Okay, so please look whatever I have ticked. Along with me, wake up, woke up, wear, wore, bring, brought. Okay, the next question. 6th question, the opposite of kind, remember, and full. So what will be the opposite of kind? Unkind, remember, forget, and full, empty. Okay, so let us mark it out. Unkind, full, empty, and remember, forget. So I have ticked the words, write it down. So there are so many questions for your practice, students. 7th one, a type of plant. Okay, what is a type of plant you can see in the house of words? It is herbs. Okay, herb means medicinal plant. Okay. 8th, list down all the action words. Now, which action words can you see in the house of words? Come on, let us move to the house. So students, these are all the action words like forget, wore, suspect, woke up, afford, brought, and knock. Okay, next question. A word that indicates sound of tapping on door. So what word indicates sound of tapping on door? We can say it is a knock. Okay, so let us find in the house of words. So here the word is knock. 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 Okay. 10th question. A person who runs a small hotel. Now, what is the name of the person who runs a small hotel? It is called innkeeper. An innkeeper. Okay. So let's find the word in the house of words. So a person who runs a small hotel is called an innkeeper. So let us move to the next question. Find the smaller words hidden in the bigger word. Now, for example, innkeeper. So, some words are there like in, keep. Many words we can write small hidden words. So, let us start the activity. These are few words like innkeeper. We can prepare in, keep, ink. Merchant, we can prepare chant, and met, chat. Forget, we can prepare for, get, or forehead, forehead, or off, ear. And many words you can prepare like this. Here are a few examples. Students, we have solved this activity. Write down all the words, whatever I have taught you in your book. And for practice, write the above words from the house of words in your notebook. We have already written it. And try to find out these words around you in your lessons or newspapers, textbooks, magazine, poster boards, advertisements, etc. Extension activity: make new sentences using these words and watch the story on YouTube, The Magic Herb. It's a very interesting story. Evaluation based on the responses to reading and activities. So students, did you understand the activity? It's very simple and very clear. Okay, now what did you learn today? Now you can read the new words learnt in the lesson and understand the meaning. Okay, so read Magic Herb of standard 6th. Thank you very much.